Hello and welcome to another edition of Check, You Got This. My name's Peter Van Brady, author of Avoiding Mistakes and Crushing Your Deals Using Your VA Loan. Pretty popular on Amazon if you want to pay $19.95 there, or you can get a complimentary copy on my website. I'm the founder of SoCal VA Homes, and we are veterans helping veterans with a set of unique and powerful programs really, which create easier, better ways to buy homes using your VA loan. And today we're going to talk about veterans' property tax exemptions. Seems there's a lot of questions that focus on this topic, especially as it relates to those of you who have a rating from the VA of 100%. So let's dive right in. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I hope this is going to be really helpful for you. Here we go. All right. So let's take a look. Here we go. So the first thing that we want to look at is the typical homeowner's exemption. If you've purchased property and or owned property before, you take a look at your property tax statement, you can see that right off the top, they're giving you that $7,000 homeowner's exemption. That's really for everybody. There's another exemption that I really don't think that's relevant, but it's worth talking about when you look up this topic. You're going to see if a veteran essentially owns property, but not to exceed this $4,000 limit, there is a property tax exemption that is due you. However, it really doesn't apply to those of you who own real estate. What you're really probably interested in is this one, the disabled veterans property tax exemption. And you need to have a 100% rating. As you can see, I've been rated 100% disabled, and you earned it, for goodness sakes. So it's certainly helpful to apply for it, and it's a big exemption. I've had a lot of questions over the years from clients that say, no, I'm completely exempt from property taxes. And that's really not the case. Unless you're in an area of California, is where we work, where you've got a really, really inexpensive property. Let me describe to you what I mean by that. The back when this started, the property tax exemption was $100,000, and then for low income, $150,000. Let's see what's happened since then. So this is the table from essentially the 2020 adjustments, and you can see here's your 100 and 150,000, but adjusted for inflation, your basic exemption in 2020 is 143,000. Look at this. If you hit the low income level, it's 214,000. So if you buy a property for $414,910, that first $214,910 is exempt from property taxes. That's really going to reduce your payment substantially, literally by about $160, $70 a month. And you would need to show an income limit under 164,000 in the year of 2020 to qualify for the larger exemption, not the smaller one. And it's pretty easy to find this information. Here you can see I've found it by just Googling disabled veterans property tax exemption in Orange County. That's where our headquarters are, here in San Juan Capistrano. And you could see that there are forms here that discuss the instructions to get it done in Orange County. You'll find the form online here. It's a really simple form. I've looked at this form all over the state. It tends to just be actually 2 pages. Here you can see it in Orange County, just a couple pages. You fill it out, and there's that. So that's 2019, but there's that table again. You'll find this form in every county. If you're looking at your county, here's essentially San Diego County. They've got all that information. And then, of course, San Diego County's form. just 2 pages. So you earned it. Let's make sure that if you're receiving disability payments with a rating of 100% from the VA, that you apply for this disabled veterans property tax exemption as soon as you close. That will be very helpful to essentially get those property taxes reduced. And what ends up happening is your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance payment, including taxes, will be such that it will accommodate an entire tax liability. And then once you get that letter from the county showing that you are exempt, you'll send that off to your loan servicer, and they will reduce your property tax liability in their books and shrink your mortgage payment. There you have it. If this was helpful to you, subscribe to our channel and receive notifications for all of our YouTube videos. You'll see a wealth of information on our website. Go to the bottom of the page and you can simply search and find information on just about anything that you're looking for. Top of the page, you'll find home search information, of course, all of our calculators, and a complimentary copy of my book. So take a look at it. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Thanks for listening.